Can you refuse medical treatment at the scene of a car accident? Have you ever wondered what happens if you are involved in a car accident and feel fine? Can you really say no to medical help right there on the spot? The answer is yes. You can refuse medical treatment at the scene of a car accident if you are conscious and capable of making a reasonable decision. This means if you are alert and understand what is happening, you have the legal right to decline medical assistance. However, if you are unconscious or unable to make decisions, emergency responders are allowed to provide necessary medical care without your consent. This is important because your health and safety come first, and sometimes you may not be in a position to make that call. Now, let's talk about the implications of refusing medical treatment when it comes to car insurance. Insurance companies often look closely at whether injured individuals sought immediate medical attention. If you refuse treatment, they might question the legitimacy or severity of your injuries. They may argue that if you were truly hurt, you would have accepted help right away. This can complicate your ability to prove that your injuries resulted from the accident. It is also worth noting that refusing treatment at the scene does not automatically prevent you from filing a personal injury claim later. However, it is a good idea to seek medical evaluation as soon as possible after the accident. This helps document any injuries you may have sustained, making it easier to support your claims with insurance companies. Having prompt medical records can establish a clear connection between the accident and your injuries. This is essential for claims related to medical expenses and compensation. When discussing auto insurance, it is important to understand the differences between collision and comprehensive coverage. Both types of insurance typically cover vehicle damage, but medical treatment costs related to injuries are often covered under personal injury protection or bodily injury liability coverage, depending on your policy and state laws. In summary, while you can refuse medical treatment at the scene if you are alert and capable, it is generally advisable to accept or seek medical care quickly. This not only protects your health but also helps ensure that your injury claims are supported and reduces complications with insurance companies.